Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS V3607V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're unable to access the BIOS on your ASUS V3607V, don't worry. This issue can often arise due to a malfunctioning keyboard, a faulty motherboard, or simply incorrect settings. If left unresolved, you may find yourself unable to boot your system, which can disrupt your work or leisure activities. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement keyboard if necessary. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by placing your ASUS V3607V upside down on a soft, clean surface to prevent any scratches. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover, starting at the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard, which is usually near the top edge. Gently disconnect the cable, ensuring you do not pull on the wires excessively. Now, if the keyboard is faulty, you will need to replace it. Unscrew the screws holding the keyboard in place using the Phillips screwdriver, and carefully lift it out. If you're simply looking to reset the BIOS settings, you may want to look for the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Remove it gently, wait for a few minutes, and then reinsert it. When reassembling, ensure that you reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, and take care not to over-tighten the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, press down firmly on the back cover to snap it shut, ensuring all clips are secure. Finally, power on your device and repeatedly press the designated BIOS access key, usually F2 or del, during startup to check if you can now access the BIOS. To prevent this issue from occurring again, keep your BIOS updated and regularly check your keyboard for any signs of wear and tear. Additionally, ensure that your device is kept in a clean, dry environment to avoid dust accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.